Hi boys and girls, before we go behind the barn door to see this mother goat, I'm going to show you some other animals first. These are two oxen, boys and girls. One is called ox and two are called oxen. Hey, look at them. They're kind of looking at us. Hard-working animals. This is a rare breed. Come and say hi to me. Hi. Yes. Thank you for that. Back to you. Come on up. Say hi to the boys and girls. Huh? Can you say hi? Oh, they're all saying hi, boys and girls. Some of your babies are as loud as you almost, huh? Are you the loud one like your mama? Oh, you're the loud one, huh? No, I think you're louder. My goodness, just like your mama. Got those same lungs. And here's the quiet one like her quiet mama on the other side, huh? You're quiet. Oh, look at that nose. Look at that nose. Look at that nose. Ow! Nibble, nibble, nibble. Oh, that's a love kiss, boys and girls. Yes. She's on the other side with her mom, who is the quiet one. Go ahead. You can talk now. I'm listening. Talk. I'm listening to you. Oh boy. That's a big mouth. Yes, it is.